A dynamic professional who has seamlessly transitioned across industries with passion and innovation. A mother of 4, including a loving husband and cherished pet. She spent 10 years in HR redefining recruitment with the unconventional hiring methods and employee-centric policies. She then spent 5 years in entertainment and media, starting as a model and actress before moving behind the scenes in ad production. In 2016, she formed Sattva Events, a wedding decor company known for its cinematic storytelling and unique themes. Collaborating with the cinematographers and art directors, she has spent 8 years crafting immersive wedding experiences, turning dreams into reality with breathtaking decor and meticulous planning. Thank you so much, and over to you, Sarita.
Thank you so much.
कई त्योहार ऐसे होते हैं
So okay. After all the one-day matterums today about women, I don't want to talk much about the women. Already men are crying out there. So anyways, happy Women's Day. You all are looking great. Of course I am. And Sattva Events was founded in the year 2016, and it's been a great pleasure, delivering 200 plus wedding projects. And I don't want to talk much today, क्योंकि मुझे ज़्यादा बोलने की आदत तो है नहीं। इसीलिए मैंने सोचा I'll only talk through my videos. So I will start with Malabar Gold advertisement, which I've done last year with ace cinematographer Ravi Varman Garu, who is also Sanjay Leela Bansali's cinematographer. So please play the videos.
कई त्योहार ऐसे होते हैं जो अपनों को अपने पास लाते हैं, अपने रंगों से खुशियाँ रंग जाते हैं और इनकी रौनक से समा बन जाता है।
हवाओं में खुली सी रंगों की रंगीनी रौनकें हैं, हर तरफ है खुशबू भीनी भीनी, मस्तियों में है चमकती रातें झीनी झीनी, सज रही है सबके दिल में मीठी सी रागिनी, मिली जो खुशी
done by us and our team. Even the, if you see the giant wheel and all, even this was taken care by us. Maybe we can forward to next. Can we forward? Yeah, they are the art directors like I mentioned. Ravi Varman Garu is a national award winner, and Rajiv Nayar Garu. I have associated with them for Narayani Silks advertisement also, but because of too many weddings and I realized it's a hectic job out there, so I stopped doing advertisements. May I please? Yeah, this is one video of the wedding. Kindly see. Wedding, the production was taken care by us. I'll go forward, and generally when a client comes to us giving a budget of about 10-15 lakh, we create a theme for them in this format. Kindly check this. This is a walkway suggestions. All are Pinterest references well, but then how I give them a presentation so that they can visualize in 15 lakh what they are getting. This is option 1 for Sangeet. Option 2, can you please be quick? Yeah, the ambience lighting. And they are interstate, so I planned a different photo wall, and DJ and floor, of course. Yeah, host to engage, and mandap, because I wanted something in mandap, so we created some different options for mandaps as well, because it's at a resort, so I had to give it an open, and we had to give some South Indian touch to it. Please keep forwarding. Yeah, these are some accessories, and this is reception. The reception is again Agarwal wedding it was, so I had to create some grand entry and all. Like I said, it is interstate, so South Indian and North Indian wedding it was. And this is the reference of the reception that was planned. Yeah, this is a grand entry, and these are the accessories again. Band, yeah. So keep quoting. These are entries: haldi, Punjabi, Jol, Garka decoration, everything. Yeah, that's about 15 lakh. I've given it to the client. So I got all the specification that's mentioned. Can we skip to 78 directly? I don't think so. We have sufficient time. We have time? Do I have time? Because I have a lot of pictures. This is my personal favorite. A client wanted a saree ceremony in a different theme, and this is Ravi Varman pictures, Raja Ravi Varman pictures. So I wanted to create a portrait theme. Though it looks very simple, it is very expensive, and a lot of homework had to be done. Can we please move forward? Yeah, this is, I mean, all the references are from other wedding planners, because I had to create for the people to understand, to visualize how the pictures are going to be. So, itna bhi fast nahi, thoda pehle, yeah. So yeah, I had to give this proper traditional look. This is one option that I've suggested her. In fact, the entire old furniture I had to procure from the advertisement department where I earlier worked. So I know how to create the vibe totally. Yeah. This is the main stage. We also try to collect actually the saris and all, so that I can suggest them which backdrop to go about. We also focus on the warm lights, which lights to go about, because cinematographer ke saath kaam karne ke baad I have learned a lot about what to focus and what not to, and how to enhance the look. Yeah, this is the furniture that I was talking about. We have a separate team for this, and it's a big effort to work on that kind of a furniture. Yeah, these are some elements which we created, and this is all for a sari ceremony. Like I said, it's a Raja Ravi Varman theme. Yeah, entry and all. Yeah, these are for the tables, center tables. And yeah, that's about the other theme. And this is a bohemian theme I was planning for them, because people are bored with the regular yellow and whites. So I suggested bohemian decor for the haldi. Yeah. Am I done? Done. 2 more minutes. But I think I'll finish it because we have a ramp and other things going ahead. I don't want to talk too much. Like I said, zyada bolne ki aadat to hai. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ms. Lalita. Our next presenter for today is that designed everything. I have been privileged to have this two beautiful women beside me the entire journey, right from start till the end, and literally made my day entirely special. So thank you for being there with me. The ramp off again.